Student, now we are going to solve exercise 2.2 class 10 advanced maths question number 7 row 4. Here we have to find out the value of x from question number 4, and this question is quite different, so let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 7 row 4. Student, this is the question of 7 row 4 class 10 advanced maths exercise 2.2, and we have to find out here that the value of x and y. So before the student will solve this portion first, which is given in the part of numerator. After that we will take the LCM. So here student, first of all analyze this portion. 1 into x is x, and there is I into x is xi, and there is twice I by 3 plus I, first one. And second one is 2y minus 3i y after multiplying, and this part is I only. There is 3 minus I equal to 0 plus I into 1. Now look, after that student, here if I take the LCM, what will happen? Look here now, if I take the LCM, 3 plus I and there is 3 minus I, so these two cancel. 3 minus I and there is x plus I into x minus twice I, and these two cancel. Then 3 plus I, so twice y minus 3iy plus I equal to 0 plus I into 1. Now look student, after that here, so this could be that a plus b, a minus b, which means a square minus b square. Now go for the multiplication here. So 3 into x is 3x plus 3ix minus 3 to the 6i. There is minus ix plus minus minus I into I means I square x, I into I square x, minus minus plus 2I square. Now look, after that student, here that 3 to the 6, 6y, 3 into 3 minus 9 I y, minus 9 I y, and there is student plus 3I, and here after that plus 2I y, and there is minus 3 I square y, and there is plus I square only equal to 0. Look here student, 0 plus iy, 0 plus I into 1 will remain same. Now look student, after that here 3 square is 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9, and there is I square is minus 1. Now come to this point, there is 3x plus 3ix minus 6i, and there is minus ix. I square is minus 1, minus minus plus x, and I square is minus 1, there is 2 only, so minus 2, and there is 6y minus 9iy, and there is 3I and plus 2iy, and I square is again minus 1, so minus minus plus 3y, and I square is minus 1 equal to 0 plus I into 1. Now look student, after that remaining portion will be here as 9 minus minus plus means 9 plus 1, 10 will be here. Now look here, 3x plus x means 4x will be here, 3x plus x, 4x will be here. Now 3ix, there is minus ix, so students answer will be 2ix only here. So minus 6i plus 3i, I repeat again, minus 6i plus 3i, which means minus 3i. Now this portion is already being taken for solving. Minus 2, there is minus 1, minus 3 will be here. So student, now 6y plus 3y, 6y plus 3y, 9y. Now after that, minus 9iy plus 2iy, which means minus 7iy, and equal to 0 plus I into 1 will be here. Now look student, if I rearrange this real and imaginary part here, then what will happen? For the rearrangement, look here now, 4x, there is plus 9y minus 3 will be here, and here is twice ix, then minus 7iy minus 3i by 10 equal to 0 plus I into 1. Now look student, here if we split up the real and imaginary part, then what will happen here? Look here now, 4x plus 9y minus 3, the real part, and imaginary is I, then twice x minus 7y minus 3 by 10 equal to 0 plus I into 1. Now just split up again, that 4x plus 9y minus 3 by 10 plus I into twice x minus 7y minus 3 by 10 equal to 0 plus I into 1. Now if we comparing, this part is real and this part is imaginary. Why? Because I is there. So if I comparing these two, this equal to 0 and this equal to 1. So let's have a look now. We'll write down here that comparing the real and imaginary, comparing real and imaginary portion. Now look here, after that, first of all, that 4x plus 9y minus 3 by 10 equal to 0, and this portion is twice x minus 7y minus 3 by 10 equal to 1. Now look student, go for the cross multiplication. So 4x plus 9y minus 3 equal to 0, then 4x plus 9y equal to 3, and there is twice x minus 7y minus 3 equal to 10 for the cross multiplication, and twice x minus 7y and 3 will be there, so 10 plus 3 13. Now look student, twice x minus 7y and there is 13. Now look after that student, so this is our equation number 1 and this is number 2. So taking this one as our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. Now look after that, there is twice x, there is 4x. Now multiplying equation number 1 with 2 means the coefficient of x. So 4 to the 8x and 9 to the 18y, then 3 to the 6, and here again equation number 2 with the coefficient of 4x means 4 only. So 4 to the 8x and 4 7 the 28, and 13 into 4 52. Now look student, after that go for the subtraction. In the second line sign will change, so plus become minus, minus become plus, and plus become minus. Now look student, after that this will cancel student, and 8 plus 8 16, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 46y, and there is 52 minus and 6, which means 46, and since the negative sign in front of the bigger number, so there is negative sign. Now y equal to obviously minus 1. Now if we put the value of y in equation number 1, what will happen? From 1 that 4x, we can put the value of y in 1 or 2, any one of them. So 4x plus 9 into minus 1, since it is 9y, so 9 into minus 1 equal to 3. Now look student, after that 4x plus 9y equal to 3 from 1. Now look here again, since here it is 4x plus 9y equal to 3, value of y is minus 1. In place of y we have just put down here minus 1 equal to 3. Now we'll solve this portion. So 4x, that is 9 minus 9 equal to 3. Now 4x, take 9 on that side, it become 3 plus 9 means 12. So students, 4x equal to 9 plus 3, how much? 12. If it is 12, then value of x equal to 3. Now look, what is the value of x and y here? We'll write down the last line here. Therefore the required solution x equal to 3, y equal to minus 1. This is the answer of the question number 7 Roman 4.